Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video today is actually a pretty special one. As a videographer, trying to capture the various evolutions at the maintenance activities and various other ones, I get to see things in that otherwise only folks who are under the engine are seeing. It's really interesting to see the folks in the various locations, and working on an engine, you really get to crawl in or under or where on top, you name it. The engine is an interesting location to work on because we have to work in every little nook and cranny, and really make sure that we touch it all so that she can live for maybe 100 years. Let's see how long she is steaming. We have still a pretty good chunk of lifetime left in her before a redo is needed, as Dave Moll explained in a prior video. So sit back, relax, enjoy a little bit more of Chris being under her. Have fun. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.